Hello everyone, welcome you all to new video. What is share and what is share market? First of all, we everyone should know why we are interested in stock market, why we all are interested in mutual funds, because to invest and to grow our money, to build our own portfolio through these various options, like it can be through a stock market, it can be through a mutual fund, etc. So why we all are thinking to invest? Because we have some financial goals like retirement planning, building a wealth, our children's education, and these are some of the financial goals in everyone's life. To achieve these financial goals, we should have some financial plan to create an wealth. So there are some options to create an wealth. The first option is stock, to invest in a shares of a company, then to invest in a bonds, that is nothing but the money market instrument. But in this video, focus is purely on stock market. There are multiple options for investment. People are mostly aware of this, that is nothing but the commodities. Like they can purchase gold and silver for a long term wealth creation. Some people are interested in real estate, like they are buying a flat, shops, etc. Now some of the peoples are purchasing a mutual funds or nothing but investing in mutual funds. Also some are buying very good company stocks like Hindustan Unilever, Asian Paints, etc, etc. But finally question comes in mind, what is stock? That is nothing but what is share. So what is share? What is stock? We all are discussing. He bought some 100 stocks of so and so company, and in this way first we should know what is share. So share is nothing but the ownership certificate of a company. For example, company name is Asian Paint. We are giving some money, that is called as a current market price amount, to the company or nothing but the previous investor, and we are purchasing a stake, nothing but a share. So share is the ownership certificate of a company. Directly we are becoming the owner of that company, that is called as a share. So share stock certificate can be of any company, those who are listed in a Indian stock market. In a previous some years, like this, in the paper format we are getting the physical share certificate, but nowadays it is converted into electronic form. We call it as a demat form. Demat is nothing but the dematerialized account, which is in the form of a electronic form of the shares holding account. So if we are holding some number of shares of Asian Paints, so directly indirectly we are becoming a shareholder of that company. If you are purchasing a share of Reliance Industries, then directly we are becoming a partly owner of that company. So holding a particular company shares makes investor a shareholder of that particular company. So what is the way to buy a share? Because to buy a share we need not to go to any company or any broker. Now everything is online and it is easily available in the digital format in our mobile phones also. So assume we all are an investor who want to buy a share. They can buy a share through exchange. In India, two major exchanges are available, that is National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. But directly we can't buy the shares from the exchange. Intermediary, we required a broker. With the help of this broker, we can purchase the shares of a company, those who are listed on National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange, and that shares we can hold, or as per our requirement we can sell that shares as per our need. So finally, what is share market? Share market is nothing but there are two major exchanges in the India. One is Bombay Stock Exchange and another one is National Stock Exchange. It is called as an NSE, and Bombay Stock Exchange, it is called as a Bombay BSE. It is an oldest stock exchange in the Asia. It started in 1875, but government has recognized on 31st of August 1957. The initial name of Bombay Stock Exchange was the Stock Exchange Mumbai. Later it renamed to Bombay Stock Exchange. We all know in newspaper or in TV channel we are reading or listening the word called as a Sensex. What is the Sensex? Sensex is nothing but an index of a Bombay Stock Exchange, which is made up of a sectorial top 30 companies. The second exchange in India, that is National Stock Exchange, government recognized this exchange on 26 April 1993. It is fully automated trading system platform, and the index of National Stock Exchange is Nifty 50 because it comprises of top 50 sectorial stocks or a company. So the investor who want to invest in the stocks or in a shares, they can through this market, either through Bombay Stock Exchange or National Stock Exchange, they can easily purchase the shares and they can hold the shares for as per their convenience. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, please do share, subscribe our YouTube channel.